Today we've got this string type of shelving for you from the mid-century, and although it might look okay, they've actually been stored in the cellar and they smell a bit rotten and fusty, so we've decided we've got to change them. They aren't out of teak or palisander, they're actually made of plywood, so we're just going to swap these for plywood shelving. We're then going to dye the plywood so it looks like teak, and then I've got to clean these string piece of wiring because they've got paint on them. These are the boards we're going to replace, so I'll just take one out. And Seb has already he's cut some down to size already, so we haven't got to show you how to saw them out. They're exactly the same size. What we've got to do now is we've got to make these grooves on both sides in the pieces of wood. We're going to show you how to do that, and when that's done we're going to sand all the edges and the surface. The shelves are now ready for the stain. We've got a teak colour stain that's going on. We're going to apply it with a cloth. As you can see on the string framework, there is some paint on there, and I'm going to remove it now with a bit of wire wool. And just to finish the boards off, I'm going to apply some teak oil on top to give it a nice shine. Now both boards are finished, they're both now in a teak colour, and all that's left to do is to build it back together again so I can show you the finished project. I need Mr. Seb to help me, so got to make sure that the string bit is in the groove, and then the top board goes on, and there it is, one finished string shelving ready to be hung up in a bedroom. If you've liked the video, then press the like button and subscribe down below, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Ciao ciao.